very good afternoon from here in the centre of Gibraltar. This evening we're going to take a stroll around Gibraltar. A very good morning from here in Gibraltar. A very good morning guys from here in Casemate Square. So, very good morning guys, and today we're going to do something really different on the channel. The time is 7:08 in the morning and it is officially sunrise, although it is very cloudy today. Today is the 25th of May, it's 2024, we're here on Main Street and let's take a walk around Gibraltar and see how Gibraltar prepares for the day at dawn. So come on guys, let's take a look at the city. So I did promise you a decent episode yesterday as we thought the border guards were going on strike, but in the middle of the night they made a deal, so there wasn't really a video to make. I thought it'd be chaos, disruption, queues at the border, no one could get in, no one could get out, but that just didn't happen. So I didn't really have any ideas for yesterday. Here's the thing, when we're filming here, they're cleaning the street at this time of the morning, so I'm gonna have to try and go round them. It hasn't been raining, it's just wet from the street cleaners, but yeah, there wasn't really too much content yesterday, so but let's carry on and let's try and find a way away from the street cleaners so we can make a better video. But you can see how Gibraltar is cleaning up for the day. I'm sure there's cruise ships coming in. It's Saturday night. Well, it was Friday night, it's now Saturday morning, so let's see how the city's going to prepare for a busy Saturday here at the end of May, the start of summer. And look at it, t-shirts at dawn, it's 18 degrees, so come on, it's a beautiful day to explore the town. I absolutely love making videos at this time of day. Look, there's absolutely nobody around. I've got Main Street completely to myself, guys. It's fantastic, absolutely marvellous. So what we're going to talk about, guys, is I've got time to do piece to cameras. First of all, let's go down this alleyway. If we were doing this in the daytime, there'd be tons of tourists just rushing up this street, so we wouldn't actually be able to get a chance to do a good video. But yeah, there's no one about. We've got the whole city to ourselves. So yeah, that's it, guys. So what's going on in Gibraltar? I know we've been occupied with the travels, but they're actually trying to make a deal in Brussels. We were in Brussels earlier in the year, you can go back and watch that on the channel, but they're trying to make a deal with Brussels to get rid of the border. I don't know how we feel about that. Yeah, I guess it's not really about my opinions, this channel, so why don't you tell me your opinions about it? Should they get rid of the border? Should this become a part of the Schengen zone? Or should we, Gibraltar, keep the fence, keep our security, keep our integrity? Who knows? But that's a good thing to think about. One of the concessions of having an open border, which I think would benefit me, although the concession is a massive one, is having European border guards here in Gibraltar. I don't think most people want that at the airport, to be honest. They're talking about going for a British and then a European immigration channel. I don't think that's gonna work, in my opinion. But hey, anyway, let's see what they're going to do. Maybe it's going to be a no deal and we'll always have to just do the reservation trick for the rest of our lives, and then we'll get this electronic thing like this Esther that they talk about. I don't know. This isn't a political channel, but as I say, just advising you of what's going on and what's being decided on our behalf. We ain't got a say in it really, have we? But come on guys, let's continue exploring Gibraltar at this beautiful quiet hour. So look at that lovely clean Main Street. I wonder how long it's going to last before the tourists come in and absolutely trash it. So don't be fooled by the early morning clouds here in Gibraltar. It's quite common even in the summer for Gibraltar to have this cloud hanging over us in the morning, but this very quickly disappears as the sun becomes warmer, burns away the cloud, or the wind moves the cloud out into the ocean. But yeah, absolutely fantastic. But let's make our way down to Casemate Square. Come on guys. You can hear the seagulls going crazy above our heads. It's easy to forget that we're in a seaside town, a British seaside town, although we're in between Spain and Africa here. But yeah, what a beautiful morning as we walk down the street, and we just, lovely. It's been quite a long time since I've had a little walk at sunrise, but as I say, heading to the square now. We're just actually, main reason is I wanted to practice just speaking for longer on the camera, and I find it, when we're in a busy packed place, I find it like, I don't know, not anxious, but just, I don't like speaking on camera. But now, well, we've got the place to ourselves, it's a good time for me to practice. So really, this video is just more practicing. But come on guys, let's head to the centre. So we can see the street cleaners hard at work here on Main Street, and I love this little corner here, and we can see them just going through and getting ready to greet the day's visitors and the day's workers. And yeah, we can just see the sun peaking above Casemate Square here. Oh, it's so nice just to be here with me and the pigeons in the square. But yeah, absolutely beautiful morning here. If you're coming to Gibraltar this week, what's the weather going to be like? Well, I'll be honest guys, it's the low 20s, but it's not getting cold in the night. The coldest it got this evening was 18 degrees. So yeah, that's a pretty muggy night if we were in the UK. So, but yeah, beautiful weather. We're just going to continue our walk now here, but we're just enjoying having Casemate Square to ourselves. You know, in 2-3 hours time this place will be absolutely rammed with tourists. I think there's a market here as well. They'll be setting up little stalls here, nothing crazy, just like a couple of arts and crafts and whatever. But yeah, we can see the people arriving at work, cleaning their businesses now. And yeah, today is a new day here in Gibraltar. But as I say guys, let's continue our walk and see if we can, don't know, discover anything interesting at this time of the morning. So let's have a look at this early morning cloud just covering the top of the rock there. We can't even see the tip. It's very low. We're going through Casemate Square and we're going to head in the direction of Ocean Village and see how quiet it is there this morning. So guys, this is something you don't see on the channel often. Look, we're walking straight through the main part of Ocean Village, all the main restaurants here behind us, and there is not a single person in sight. Of course, it was Friday night last night. Everyone was smashed out late, so yeah, the place is absolutely quiet. So I don't think you can expect to get a coffee here till about 8 or 9 o'clock in the morning. But yeah, what a lovely walk. It was a good idea we did this morning. I was just sitting at home, rattling in my head, what we're going to film, what we're going to do. There's not really much going on, you know. And I thought, hey, let's just do this dawn walk. And I'm so happy we've done it, guys. But come on, let's keep exploring Gibraltar at the golden hour. So we have some shots here of Ocean Village, looking particularly colourful this morning. So there has been some good news in the last 24 hours out of Gibraltar, and that is international football is back in Gibraltar, and that means it'll be back on the channel, guys. So they've agreed that international football games for Gibraltar will be played at the Europa Point Stadium instead of Faro in Portugal, because of course it's quite an inconvenience to have to go all the way to Faro just to watch the football. But one thing that is happening is there are 2 last games in Faro in the next couple of weeks. Gibraltar play Wales and Gibraltar play Scotland, and I think we'll be over there. I think we'll be in Faro filming the Gibraltar Wales match. So not confirmed yet, we're still finalising details there, but if we can get over there, we'll bring you that content. And then of course we'll be at every international match Gibraltar play here on the Rock. So that's good news. I used to love filming the football actually. I'm not like the maddest football fanatic, but it was really interesting just filming the football. I absolutely loved it, guys. But yeah, we can see now the cloud is starting to disappear here. Saturday the 25th of May. 2024 as we overlook Ocean Village here and Gibraltar. We're actually heading to Morrison's now, so come on guys, let's keep going on this morning walk. I've only come out because I want some breakfast, so yeah, but come on, let's go, let's keep going. So it's a beautiful sunrise this morning over Ocean Village. Doesn't it look idyllic? And it's a beautiful time to visit and just have a walk through the area. Okay, what a beautiful view of the sun rising here in Ocean Village over the casino building. I mean, the sun hasn't fully risen yet, but wow, what a beautiful start to the day, guys. Now I actually have to work this evening, so I'm pretty gutted about that, but yeah, it's going to be a beautiful day here in Gibraltar. 22 degrees or high I think it is today, so yeah, you can just walk around in your t-shirt. As I say, it's about 7:30 in the morning now. I think it's only really Morrison's that is open at this time, that's why we're heading that way. And it would have been much quicker if I'd have just gone from my house to Morrison's, but I wouldn't be able to bring you this beautiful scenery here. And the summer really is starting. We've got loads planned for this summer, guys, so yeah, this is definitely the channel you want to be watching for your summer activities here in Gibraltar. And if you're coming here to Gibraltar on holiday, then there's tons of videos on the channel giving you guides of how to get to places, visiting places, and there's new guides being created constantly when I have the time. But yeah, let's just take in this beautiful view once more. So let's just capture this scene once again, as it's very rare that we're out at this time of morning, especially here in Gibraltar filming. And doesn't it look so stunning, so peaceful? You know, if you had one of these boats, you really would be living the life if this is your view every morning. But now let's leave Ocean Village. So guys, let's cut through the council estate to get to Morrison's, or the government housing area. I don't know, I call it a council estate, but yeah, not too long. It's only a quick cut through to get to Morrison's, and then we'll go and pick up some breakfast or just get something to eat. I don't know. Beautiful morning here. All you're really seeing is dog walkers and street cleaners at this time of morning, but come on, let's continue this adventure. So forget all the glitz and the glamour of the high-rise penthouses and apartments here in Gibraltar. This is real Gibraltar here on this estate where we're walking through. This is how the real people of Gibraltar live. So yeah, I mean, it's still a nice life. I'll take one of these houses any day. But come on guys, we're almost at Morrison's. So here's something really important you've got to remember when you come to Gibraltar. Now, Gibraltar is not like the mainland UK, okay? McDonald's doesn't open crazy early, and there's no such thing here as a McDonald's breakfast. Egg McMuffins do not exist here, so just remember that, guys, when you come in here and you're like, oh, let's go for a McDonald's breakfast. Yes, it's a great idea, but look, it just doesn't exist. So from Mackie D's to Morrison's, they're literally next to each other. I don't know if it's me, but every time I come here, the place just gets more and more expensive. But anyway, we've got our Saturday morning goodies here from Morrison's, so we're going to be well catered for the next day or so. Now let's head back to the town centre and we'll conclude our sunrise walk of Gibraltar. And you can see already the time's about 8 o'clock now, and it is getting considerably busier. But come on guys, let's make our way back to the town area. Now look at this, guys. Isn't this a piece of New York slap bang in the centre of Gibraltar here? So let's talk about another phenomenon that happened here. I think it was about a week and a half ago. I don't think it's happened in this part of the world for more than 20 years, and that's the Northern Lights. Now the Northern Lights could be seen all across Spain. They could be seen in Algeciras, but not one person bothered to report them being seen here in Gibraltar. Now on this night I knew they were happening, but unfortunately I was working. I was constantly looking out at the sky because I work in the night, but but I didn't see them. But I bet if I'd went to the top of the rock, I'd have got a brilliant view, and I was absolutely gutted because this is one of the things I really want to see in my life, the Northern Lights. So yeah, it was a shame no one else did go up there, none of the local media, none of the YouTubers, and catch this. They got some beautiful shots of the Northern Lights in Algeciras. Cadiz was supposed to be one of the best places to see the Northern Lights as well in the whole of Spain. But there we go, you win some, you lose some, I guess. But come on guys, we're almost home now, so I think it'll be time to wrap up the video soon. Now let's cross Linewall Road as we head back into the town area, and I'll leave you with these final shots. So there we are guys, there's another day dawns here in Gibraltar, another video draws to a close. And as we make our way, well, I'm almost at my house now, so slap bang here in the centre of Gibraltar. Guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm going to leave you with a little clip now. It's a video I filmed the other night in Ocean Village of a seagull taking a grey mullet out of the water and swallowing it whole. So if you're squeamish, don't watch to the end of this video, but if you're interested, stay tuned. It's a brilliant piece of nature that I've captured. But from me here in the centre of Gibraltar, thank you for watching as always, and I'll see you all on the next adventure. So let's see this guys, you can see this yellow leg gull has just ripped this grey mullet out of the water, and he's trying to swallow it, and we can see the fish is obviously still alive. We can see it flapping there on the pier. Now, is he going to be able to swallow it? This is a very large fish, especially for a bird of this size, but there it goes. It's going down there anyway. I've seen these seagulls actually eat pigeons whole, so I'm sure a fish this size isn't a problem, but you can see the fish bulging out of its throat there. And on that note guys, I want to wish you all a very lovely weekend.